today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Ssemble account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard to view your upgrade options, compare what's included, and understand what you're looking at before you make any decisions. First, start by logging into Ssemble. Open your preferred browser, head to the Ssemble website, and sign in with your account credentials. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so the dashboard loads smoothly. Once you're in, give the page a moment to fully render. This helps all menu items appear correctly. Next, move your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be a photo, initials, or a generic avatar. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. This menu is your shortcut to personal settings and account-related pages, so it's the quickest way to get where we need to go. From the drop-down, choose My Subscriptions. Depending on the version of the interface you're using, this section may appear as Subscriptions, Plan, or something similar. But My Subscriptions is the most common label. Clicking here takes you to the dedicated area where Ssemble manages your plan details. On the My Subscriptions page, you'll see options to upgrade. This is where Ssemble lays out the available plans, along with what each plan includes. Take a moment to review the plan names, any feature highlights, and price information. Many platforms show a monthly versus annual toggle, so keep an eye out for that if you want to compare overall value. It's also helpful to note any limits or perks that matter to your workflow, such as export quality, storage, collaboration features, or brand tools. If there are footnotes or small print details on this page, things like trial durations, regional taxes, or currency, give those a quick read so there are no surprises later. If something doesn't look right, such as an unexpected currency or an outdated email on the account, this is a good time to double check your profile details elsewhere in your settings. And if you don't immediately see the plan information, try refreshing the page or revisiting the My Subscriptions link from your profile menu. That's all there is to it. Log into Ssemble, click your profile in the upper right, select My Subscriptions, and view your upgrade options right on that page. Take your time comparing what's offered so you can choose the plan that best matches your needs. Thanks for watching and